Oh, it is super hot. Hi everyone, it's Sheri and welcome back to my channel. As the title of this video says, I'm going to be doing an update on my project pan for this year. It has been sort of successful, kind of, sort of, not entirely, but it's okay because I'm giving myself the whole year to do this. So I have until December 31st of 2018 to really try to use up all of these products. I'm not gonna go in any particular order right now, but I am gonna start out with the thing that I have not been successful at all with, and that is this Ciaté and Olivia Palermo lipstick. The reason I haven't been that successful with this product is because, as I've mentioned in a ton of videos previously, I have eczema, and since moving to Florida, I actually haven't had any eczema breakouts, which is amazing, except for on my lips. For some reason, my lips are just, I don't know what it is, but something in the air is making them really dry and really itchy and really swollen all the time. And I haven't added anything new into my skincare routine. I'm still determined to use this up. I mean, I literally have not. It looks exactly the same because I haven't used it at all, pretty much. So we're gonna hopefully get this eczema thing under control, and then I can finally start using this. But for right now, this has been a bit of a fail. The other thing that ended up to not be that successful because they broke were my Physicians Formula eyeliners. They just, I don't know how, to be completely honest, because I took them out of my drawer to use it one day and I guess they were already broken. Maybe it's just too hot in my apartment or in my bedroom, and it literally just, the pencil itself, the actual product, just fell out and rolled around on my floor, which was sort of annoying, but I wasn't going to use it because then it was super linty and I just didn't want to do that and put that on my eyes. So I replaced it with something, and this is something you guys aren't going to be able to tell how much of it I've used. I'll be able to tell though because I can hear it and I can feel it in the product. And this is the Tarte Hair Goals Dry Shampoo. I don't wash my hair every single day. I probably wash it 3 times a week. Yeah, 3 times a week. So I do use dry shampoo. This is not the one that I was reaching for just because I'm so unsure about whether or not I really like this. I typically just use Living Proof, but I had this lying around and I thought, you know what, I need to use this up. It does a good job in soaking up the oil, but I will say that after a little bit of time during that day, your hair will start to look oily still. So I don't know. Also, if you're not careful and you don't shake this up enough, you will definitely, if you have dark hair, the powder from this product will definitely show up in your hair. So you have to be really careful with that. So my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Perfector pencil, when I first mentioned this in the first video for this project pan, I didn't realize how much of it I had actually used up. So I barely had enough left to do both of my brows the next day. So this has been used up for quite some time. I do really like this. I have this in the Universal Taupe color. I'm not going to repurchase this right now just because I have so many other brow products to use. I did replace it because I said I was going to do that, so I'm just going to keep this as a rolling project pan. So I replaced that with this NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and I have this in the shade Espresso. Again, this is one of those dual-ended pencils, so it has a spoolie on one end and then the actual product on the other. I've been using this pretty much every single day, and I still have a lot of this left. For the price, I think this is really great. It's really comparable to the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I just like this better because of the price tag and it's not as expensive. This is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I honestly cannot tell how much I have left. I probably have a good bit of it left still. I have no idea how to tell because there's just so much product around the entire bottle. And a lot of it still comes out, so it's probably gonna take me all year, if that, to use this. I also don't love to keep concealers like this for a year, just because putting it directly on your face, and I feel like there are a lot of germs that just get put back into this bottle. So we'll see. It's also kind of separating a little bit, so I don't know. So this is my Miss Dior Sheri Eau de Toilette. It's an Eau de Toilette. I put masking tape or clear packing tape on the back, and I just attached it to the bottle with washi tape so that I didn't want to mark on the actual bottle itself. So I just put a piece of tape on it. I've used quite a bit of it. I thought I would go through this quicker than I actually am going through it, just because I use about 3 to 4 sprays of this almost every single day. There was a period of time there, pretty much all of January and into February, that I was using this every single day, and I swear I thought it wasn't moving, and I thought it's gonna take me forever to use this up, but I have made a decent dent in it. It's gonna take me longer than I originally thought, so it's probably gonna take me a few months, but we're making progress. If you would like to know if I am getting sick of this scent, the answer is yes. Yes, I am. This is my Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's so hard to tell on camera if I've even used this, but I have. You can't even really tell. I swear I've been using this not as often as I should be, just because I still have a whole pack of cleansing towelettes, like the wipes, makeup remover wipes left, and I want to use those up because I don't want them to dry out or anything. So I've been reaching for those, and once I have used those up completely, I'm definitely just going to be reaching for this. So I'm anticipating within the next month or so, this is probably going to be the only thing that I'm using as a makeup remover. Okay, this is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Dim Light. I feel like it doesn't look like I've made as much progress with this one, but you can kind of tell that I have. Probably not so much on camera, but when I do the close-ups again, you'll see it more. The little dome part of this product has definitely gone down a lot, and there's a little bit of a hole in there, I guess, where I'm rubbing my brush in. There just seems to be a lot of product in here. Does it tell me how much? 10 grams. 10 grams of product. That probably isn't a lot. I have no idea. I have no idea if that's a lot or not. This is my Tarte Exposed Amazonian Clay Highlighter. I was surprised at how much of the pan I hit on this. Like, look at that. You can actually really see the pan. I was honestly shocked that I hit pan, just because I felt like I hadn't been using it enough to really be that close. Hit pan on a product, sometimes it can still take a long time to really get through it. So that's where I am right now. I'm going back and forth between this and my Becca highlighter, which I have hit pan on quite some time ago, and I still have a ton of product left. So I'm just switching back and forth between the two. Here it is. This is my single eyeshadow palette. Have I hit pan on any of them? The answer is yes, but I wasn't that surprised that I hit pan on this shade. This is Mocha from Makeup Geek. I was kind of expecting it. I could kind of tell that I was going to if I had just dipped my eyeliner brush in there. I couldn't think of the name of that. But the other shades, it's going to probably take me all year, hopefully. Hopefully I'll hit pan on something else before the end of the year. It is really hard to go through eyeshadows. I feel like you really have to use a lot, and you have to use it every single day to get through it. I do not wear as much eye makeup as I used to. There were days in New Jersey where I would do like a full out smoky eye just to go to the office, and I can't do that here for Disney. So I just haven't touched a lot of these shades in a long time. Also, it's just so hot. In Florida, it's so hot and so humid, and right now it's so hot. It's only February and it's been in like the low 80s, which is crazy to me. So I never really feel like wearing that much makeup, and eyeshadow sometimes I don't see the need. I'm going to try to make more of an effort to reach for this. And then this is the blush from NARS in Douceur. You guys, I was so excited about this because look at that. I actually hit pan. I actually hit pan on this, and I didn't think I was going to. And when I did, I was honestly so shocked. But I also know from experience that doesn't matter if you hit pan on a NARS product, it could take you a full year to really get through the product because there's so much in here. This has has 4.8 grams. Well, if this has 4.8 grams in it, then I'm never gonna get through that Hourglass powder. I don't know. I have been using it quite a bit. I primarily use this for work. Today I'm not wearing this. I'm wearing another NARS blush, but I usually reach for this for work. So yeah, hopefully we'll make more progress here. So that is my update for my project pan. I am real excited that I actually have been making quite a dent in some of these. Hopefully next month I'll be able to say that I've gone through more and that I've added a few more products in. That's probably not gonna happen, but a girl can hope. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Tuesday with a new one. Bye.